Born2Bond Light Lock is a dual-cure cyanoacrylate instant adhesive that offers both surface and light curing capabilities. Available in 3 patented viscosities, MV, HV, and gel, Light Lock is ideal for conformal coating, encapsulation, glass, metal, and plastic bonding, as well as electronic assembly and other increasingly small, complex applications. Low odor and low blooming, Light Lock is designed to bond, fill, reconstruct, and coat a range of substrates and is formulated to have a long open time without activation for enhanced application accuracy. Other key features include fast bonding, gap filling, multi-substrate adhesion, transparency after cure. All of these features and more help improve operational efficiencies, increase design opportunities, and enhance end-use product performance and aesthetics. Contact a Bostik expert in your region to learn more about Light Lock and how it can help, or visit born2bond.bostik.com to learn more.